Hi, we're going to go over prokaryotic transcriptional regulation today, starting with negative inducible. I'm going to move this for you right here. Alrighty, so the repressor gene is going to code for the repressor protein, which is a regulatory protein that binds to a DNA sequence and inhibits transcription, which in turn inhibits genes. So when this protein is bound to the operator, it kind of overlaps the promoter region, and transcription is halted because the RNA polymerase can't bind to the promoter, which in turn means that the structural genes aren't transcribed and the enzymes aren't synthesized because this RNA polymerase can't attach to the promoter. Alrighty, I'm going to move this again. So as you know, the promoter is a DNA sequence that the transcriptional apparatus recognizes and binds to so as to initiate transcription. If this RNA polymerase can't bind to it, transcription won't happen, as we have explained. So the structural genes are DNA sequences that encodes for proteins that functions in metabolism or biosynthesis, or that has a structural role in the cell. In order for those to be transcribed, we have to have an inducer. So an inducer is a substance or a small molecule that will stimulate transcription in an inducible system of gene regulation. It's usually a small molecule that binds to a repressor protein right here, and in this example it's lactose, that will alter the repressor and ensures that it can no longer bind to the operator and inhibit transcription. So when we have this small inducer, RNA polymerase is able to bind to the promoter and transcription occurs, and the structural genes are transcribed. Move this. Alrighty, so we're going to use an example with Star Wars. So the rebellion led by Leia Organa is trying to defeat the First Order led by Kylo Ren, also known as Ben Solo. Kylo Ren will do everything in his power to crush and kill the rebellion, including that flying heap of junk, the Millennium Falcon. In order for the rebellion to succeed, we need Rey to defeat Kylo Ren, thus allowing the rebellion to defeat Kylo Ren. So in this example, the rebellion is transcription, because by allowing it to occur, the First Order is defeated, or the structural genes are transcribed. Kylo Ren is obviously the repressor because he is actively suppressing the rebellion and ensuring that the First Order is still been running because he's the big bad. And then Rey is the inducer, or the small molecule, because she's effectively taunting Kylo Ren away because he would rather spend time with her than he would by destroying the rebellion, thus allowing the rebellion to effectively defeat the First Order, and we have peace throughout the galaxy.